So?
On the timing belt, where's the white bit?
It won't go to 1?
No, 1 is the max you can go.
How close is it to hitting the frog?
Nowhere near.
Oh, sweet. You can move up plenty then.
You can't go more than 1 though, right?
I could probably go 1.1. Do it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice
Wait,
to come
I
home
did-
to this thing.
I've calibrated it for 1 full rotation, so technically it could do 1 full rotation.
Yeah, we've got issues if we do 1 full. It might quit, like go shut down again.
Leave it
1.1.
there, leave it there, leave it there.
1.1.
Hold on. Hold.
Stop enjoying yourself. It's
1.1.
freaking me out.
What?
Yeah, freaking me out that you're that there.
Alright, tell me.
Leave it. I want to do like a running, like an extended running test. Like,
Alright, you're on flamethrower then.
Don't stress.
I don't know where I put my phone.
Is it good?
yeah, it's fine.
I hate you so much right now. Oh, it looks so fucking pretty.
Can I just say a very big thank you to the 3 of you for letting me do this
Yeah.
and helping me do it?
You're getting teary.
Hey?
You're getting teary.
I am. This is beautiful.
Hey, this is manual. Imagine when it's automated.
I know.
From 2002 to 2016, going through